Make a video of the garden.
Ew. Ew. Gentle.
Make a video of the garden.
Yeah, yeah.
Point the camera. Oh.
What the? What the?
Lettuce and beets and stuff?
Pea.
And potato?
Gentle.
Careful.
Beet. This is slow.
Oh,
Mama.
they will if we don't step on them.
It's slow. The beet is slow, Mama.
Will they grow?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
What would you really like to grow?
There.
That?
Ew.
Mud.
Huh?
We're gonna make boxes for your carrots.
Okay. Right here.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah.
You wanna plant them right here?
Yeah.
We need to get some dirt.
Oh, what's it?
Nice dirt to put in our boxes we're going to make.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Yeah. That's it. Right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
When we get dirt.
Where?
At the dirt store. Okay. Where do the birds go to eat? Right there.
That's funny.
Where's the baby birds? I don't know. Maybe they're hiding.
What? What?
So for Bryson, he loves flowers. Bryson loves
Flower. This is funny.
Christmas lights. And he loves laughing. And he loves showing off. Oh, look. Who's in here? Who's in there? Who's in there? Who's in the flower? You? Strawberries? Gentle. Okay, bye-bye. Show off. Are you going to say bye?